Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn an interesting poem from our textbook. The title of the poem is Inchcape Rock, written by Robert Southey. First of all, we will see the introduction of the poem. The Inchcape Rock is a ballad. It is the story of 14th century attempt by the Abbot Aberbrothock to install a warning bell on Inchcape, a notorious sandstone reef about 11 miles, that means 18 kilometers away from the east coast of Angus, Scotland, near the Dundee and Fife, occupied by the Bell Rock Lighthouse. Now, we will see what is Inchcape Rock. Inchcape Rock is, or it is also said the Bell Rock, is a reef about 11 miles, that means 18 kilometers of the east coast of Angus, Scotland, near the Dundee and Fife, occupied by the Bell Rock Lighthouse. The name Inchcape came from the Scottish Gaelic Anisa Seap, meaning beheave isle, probably comparing the shape of the reef to old style skip beheaves. The rock was said to be a perilous. That means that rock was quite dangerous because many ships had been wrecked by it when it remained covered by the sea water during the high tide. Now we will see the characters in the poem. First one is Abbot Aberbrothock. He was a very kind and a good man who always wanted to help others in need. So he tied the bell on the perilous, dangerous Inchcape Rock to alert the passing ships and save them. That was an act for which he received much admiration and blessing from the sailor as well as from the common people. In short, he achieved a permanent place in the heart of people by his virtuous deed. Next character is Sir Ralph Rover. He was the evil character who played an important role in the poem. He is a man full of overconfidence and wickedness. He has an evil mind and become rich by looting ships. He is jealous of the abbot and thereof cuts the bell, not realizing that one day even he would fall in trouble. In the end, he realizes it and even his mistake, but it was too late for him and he died. Now we will see the summary of the poem. The story is about the good abbot of Aberbrothock. He is a hero, and the devilish Sir Ralph the Rover, who is a villain. The abbot achieved the great fame or feat by installing a bell on the dangerous Inchcape Rock that he had previously caused many shipwrecks. His bell rang during the storms and issued an alert for the passing ships. So the seamen knew where the rock is and could avoid the danger of an accident. They blessed the abbot for his good work. But it was the rover who felt jealous at the fame of the abbot and planned to cut down the bell from the Inchcape Rock. And so he did so. This cut down the bell from the Inchcape Rock, and so he did so. This Ralph the Rover was actually a sea pirate. That means he used to rob the sea ships, we can say. So he needed to destroy the bell to accomplish his desire to rob the more ships by putting them in danger. But finally, he himself was the victim of the Inchcape Rock. One day, his ship was left in the midst of storms, lost the direction, and crashed against the rock. Thus, the rover was punished for his sinful work. Now, we will see the theme of the poem. We understood that the basic theme of the poem is that those who do bad things will ultimately be punished accordingly, and poetic justice is being done. In the poem, The Inchcape Rock, it teaches us a moral lesson: as you sow, shall you reap. The poem proves the principle that crime gets its own punishment. Thank you.